Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 69 Corvette Racer and this is new for 2025 and obviously this is by Hotwheels. It's a mainline car, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Corvette out of its packaging, and the first thing you will notice is this crazy paint job, and it's a Valentine's Day car. Apart from that, you can see this roll cage here, so obviously high speed safety. Up front you got detailed headlamps, you got the Corvette badge, and this design which is kind of hurt. You can see you got this big bulge in the hood, so obviously a bigger engine. Coming to the driver's side, again it's very classic what we'll say Corvette shape. Red wheels, I'm not sure how good they look. They look alright, matches with the red. You got some vents here, you got number 25, Hotwheels and Valentines stated in, different paint job. Brown exhaust tips coming out on the side. It's got a brown base. Don't usually see brown bases on Hot Wheels. Coming to the rear, tail lamps are there but they are not detailed. You can see there's an opening for exhaust, but because they are coming from the side, there's no exhaust in the back. And this is how it looks from the top. The interior is done in black, not in brown. I thought since they did the base in brown, they might have done the interior in brown, but no, the interior is done in black. Nothing special there, as you can see. The only thing which kind of different is that it only has one seat. If you see, it only has one seat, and on the passenger seat it has a fire extinguisher. So it's basically a race car with roll cage, so only one seat. How do I like it? Well, I like that they have detailed headlamps, so it looks good. Even on the lower grille, if you want, you can detail the fog lamps here. And I also like the paint job, it's very different, and even the design, it's very different. It's not a convertible kind of just convertible with the windshield and just a single seat, but it actually has roll cage and everything, so it's a actual race car. So my thoughts or my opinion, I do like it. I would have loved it if it had mirrors, but I still like it, and I think it will make a good addition to my rest of my Corvette collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.